In this next video, we are going to talk about Boolean. So what are Boolean values? Boolean values are represented by true or false. Okay. Now, in your folder, you can also create, let's create bool the pie. Okay, so let's say we want to declare variables that have a Boolean type. Okay, let's say is paid true. Okay, so you have assigned the variable is paid to true. Okay, we can also say okay, so if I print it out, the variable is paid will be, the new value will be false. Okay, so in Python I can reassign a variable into another different value. Okay, let us print it out. Did I? Yeah, bool. I created a file called bool. Okay, what am I doing, man? Bool. There you go. So when we have Boolean values, they are always true or false. That's how Boolean work.